The floating moon lamp with its textured surface is a fun decoration. Though simple in workings, the changing colors and mystery shape make it enchanting. The electric toothbrush comes in a pretty milky white color with a comfortable grip. The design with short and long bristles ensures thorough cleaning while vibrations boost effectiveness. Multiple modes cater to different needs. It makes a thoughtful gift for someone with oral health issues. The aromatherapy and diffuser gift set takes gift giving to another level. Each scent has a meaning and the 9 varieties ensure something for everyone. The cute tray and compact bottles enhance the aesthetics. Dropping essential oils onto the food spoilage beads instantly fills the air with fragrance, creating a calm atmosphere. The Jerry Mouse hanging ornament is adorable and lifelike. The oil-dripping toy helps relieve stress with its spinning flower head and bathing pig figurine. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.